Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever feel like you're burnt out, you're stressed, or you're overwhelmed, then you better watch this video. So I want to prioritize this little video and talk to people who may have difficulty getting tasks and projects done. They procrastinate, they have a lack of energy and negative self-talk and self-doubt. So I get asked a lot, Hannah, how do you stay motivated? How do you do what you do? You're always on the go. I'm not gonna lie to you, it gets hard, but with all these little things I'm going to talk about in the video, once I implicate it into my day-to-day life, or when I get into these little funks, I feel myself feeling better. So what I like to do is I like setting out small achievable tasks to reach my big goal. Meaning, if I now want to purchase a house, a flat, a property, I may get disheartened by the amount it might cost, but if I break it down into small achievable goals, meaning how much I need to make it in a week or month, it's like small little steps I can take for me to reach my bigger goal. I also like prioritizing self-care, as it is an essential that we maintain our well-being and our physical appearance and everything. Self-care could come in many different forms, such as exercise, healthy eating, sleeping, and then you've got the beauty side of it, which is like face mask, getting your eyebrows done, getting a facial, all of that kind of stuff. Like I said, once you feel good, you start to feel a bit better and do better. I also like to clean my environment and whatnot. A major reason people lack motivation, from what I've basically realized from when I'm speaking to people, is they don't necessarily have people in their circle or in their life that motivate them or are in the same field as them and whatnot, which is why I find social networking events is very, very key. I have a video on it already on my channel, but what I like to do is I like to change what I'm viewing on social media, because if there's not people around me in the same field, I am going to find inspiration elsewhere, meaning I want to follow people and see people who are doing things that I aspire to do. So say for instance, I want to become a rapper or a musician, I'm going to follow musicians onto my social media that are basically starting up and documenting their journey, so I can see more behind the scenes, and it will kind of give me a boost and energy and motivate me to kind of be like, cool, Hannah, get back on your graft, get back on your grind and whatnot. Also, another thing is I like to basically make vision boards. So any goals, like I say, and aspirations that I want to achieve or get done, I like to see it physically. So I might make a mood board, which is images of all these kind of things, whether that's money, passport, meaning I want to travel more. I'll put it on a document or a paper or something, just so I can see it all the time. So it might be my screensaver for my devices, and I have them printed on a poster in my office, just so I can see it and it can remind me a lot. But also, back to social media, because we are on our phones a lot, I like to minimize the rubbish I basically see and the stuff that dilutes our brain and we become alienized onto our social media. And I've realized since TikTok's been around, my attention span has gone down the drain. Like, if something doesn't grab my attention in the first 3 seconds, I'm gone. But I'm gonna leave this video like that and leave it very, very short. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Check my links down below, and yeah, bye.